Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Lock Picking with Nick. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to try to open this master lock trigger lock attached to my Smith & Wesson MP. If you're new to the channel, please check the description below the video to see what this channel is about. Okay, so we'll get the stopwatch out here. We'll get our tensioning tool in there. That feels right. And let's start. So these keyways are pretty small, and these lock picks they're pretty big, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Everything already feels tight in there. Oh, there we go. We have it open. So that took about 30 seconds. But I feel like I could probably do it faster. So go ahead and we'll reset this and lock it. Reset the time. Alright, let's try that again. And start. There. That time it only took me 5 seconds. So that's the master lock trigger lock. As you can see, for somebody who is very new at lock picking, that was very easy. I also have here a no-name trigger lock. So we're also going to try to pick that to see if that's any better or worse. So drop that. Get that in there. And we'll restart the timer. There we go. Took me about 30 seconds that time to open up this one, but that's fine. We're still learning. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to follow along with my journey in learning how to pick locks, please subscribe. Thank you.